Welcome everyone. I want to go over a concept about car insurance. I've recently done some research here on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, and I came across this site called Root Car Insurance. And I enjoy the concept, the technology, the innovation, and what really sparked my attention was the claims of saving up to 52% on my current premiums. And let me tell you, after going through the process, I indeed did save up to 52% when I compared apples to apples. I'm here at the Root, joinroot.com. I'll go over a little bit of this with you. We're looking here at their main webpage and how it works. It's Driving a Fairer World. The car insurance rates based primarily on how you drive. That's right. You can't even get a quote until you install this app. And with the technologies in your phone, given the permissions, you have to drive for several weeks to determine if you're a good driver. And then you'll get a quote based on that. If you fail the test, so to speak, you don't get a quote. Another thing that they're trying to do is implement get their name out is offering referrals. I don't do this very often, but as much as I saved on this current system, which again saved over 50%, that was over $800 for my wife and I. There is a referral, and I can save you another 50 bucks. Normally it was 25. After I took the test drive, I received 25 by using the referral that I found on YouTube video. And once I finished the application for a quote, I was offered via email a link that will provide you and myself, if you use the referral code, of 50 bucks. That's another awesome savings. So as we're hearing how it works, it says, ready to take the test drive, save up to 52%. You download the app. Pretty simple. Everyone knows how to download an app on their phone. You're not going to get any calls, no agents calling you, no hassles, that's indicating here. You take the test drive. I believe after initially installing the application, it said it would take 3 to 4 weeks. My wife and I both have a longer commute, and I think we had that test drive finished within about 3 weeks. Works on both iPhone and Android. It just measures your driving habits and can save you a bundle. The policy part of it was rather simple. You can have preset limits, but it's best just to do the custom. Compare it then apples to apples with your current policy, and you'll be amazed by how much you can save. And what I liked about the app as well, that I haven't shopped for insurance for quite a while. Maybe technology has changed a bit in that regard, but I loved being able to see how much more is it going to be if I take a $1,000 deductible versus $500. And with the savings that we had, we were able to drop those $1,000 deductibles down to $500 and still save $800 a year. I can't say that enough, and that's why I'm doing this video. I don't make a whole lot of YouTube videos, so I'm not making any monetary value through YouTube. I'm not doing this for the benefit or getting paid by Root. I'm just simply trying to start a YouTube channel and helping people with their personal finances and saving here and there. I'm kind of a frugal guy, and I kind of got excited when I saw this and how much I can save. We recently had changed our homeowners insurance as well, and for kind of a concept similar to this one, I'll try to do a video on that as well. But after getting that homeowners policy, I no longer had that discount for the home and car, and I was just researching on YouTube one evening, and I came across this and thought how much similar it was to the homeowners insurance we just got. And I just liked the innovation of it and the idea of that savings. It was awesome. Here is all the things involved in the app. You can invite others in your household to drive. So when I downloaded the app, I sent a link to my wife, so she did the same thing. You can ask Root to cancel your policy, or you can do it individually. You can view your insurance card. You can get an electronic card, or you can go into the app and you can also send it to yourself or print it off as a PDF. You can see your claim in the same way. I should say you can see your policy in the same way. I was offered everything that my previous insurance company was already providing me. I read all the reviews I could find about this. I think down here, yeah, Associated Press, the Wall Street Journal, TechCrunch, CNBC, Wired. These are some notable companies that are kind of giving their thumbs up about this coverage. Though it's not available in all areas. Here it is. But they're growing. It's a newer company, but the concept's wonderful to me. And if there's something that I want to do on YouTube, that is to be able to give some advice to other individuals and, so to speak, pay it forward. And the experience that I had doing this, the amount of money I'm saving, I just think I just had to send it along. Plus, I can save you another $50. If I scroll back up to the top, don't even have to do that, I guess. If I go to test drive, you simply download the app. It'll ask you some questions if you already have insurance, and it'll scan the back of your driver's license, and it gets a bunch of information from you in that regard. And then it picked up my wife's car immediately. I had to enter in my vehicle by the VIN number. It doesn't ask you from a drop down of make, model, and year, but you just put in the VIN number. But these are the main areas that are highlighted within the app. If you go to look at how your score is throughout the period of the driving test, or period, break-in period, whatever you want to call it. But they're looking at braking. They're looking at what hours of the day you're driving, how safely you make your turns, and your consistency. Now, consistency was the only thing that ever dropped on my test. Everything else was perfect 10s, and the overall score I received was a 10. The consistency went up, or went down just slightly. Not sure why, but because I drive a very consistent route to work. It's a longer commute. I set the cruise and pretty much forget it. But I saw it drop down once after outside of that, drove to my in-laws for about a mile away, and then for whatever reason saw it drop down a little bit. But I just wanted to give a shout out, give my 2 cents, and if I could pay it forward a little bit and help somebody out here save on their insurance, because I'm just getting tired of seeing my insurance creep up over the years. Now, I don't know, I believe I've heard this before, that insurance companies over a period of time believe that in a set period, I think it was 7 to 10 years, that everyone's going to have an incident, accident, or a claim. Since my wife and I have been married for over 15 years, neither of us have had a claim. So to see the homeowner's insurance and the car insurance consistently go up, and from year to year, seeing the car get a year older, it's like, why is it going up? The concept of this app is to give good drivers good rates, and if you're a good driver, you're least likely to be in an accident. So hopefully they're paying out less, and that's why the policies are cheaper. So give this a shot. I will put it down in the show notes. A referral. It will take you to the site for where to download. Once you've downloaded the app, taken the test drive, we will each get a $50 referral fee. You don't have to sign up. I was given I got $25 just the other day, and it was later that evening that I actually signed up for the policy. I mean, between how innovative the idea was, how pretty straightforward the app was. And after I got the quote and saw the savings, it was like, this is a no-brainer for me. And I'm seeing good reviews. I saw a couple saying, well, how were the claims? Some people maybe didn't get it right the first time or had an issue the first time, but after a follow-up phone call or something, everything was resolved. I can't compare it to anything because, like I said, over 15 years, I haven't had a claim, so I can't say how well my previous insurance company was, and they've been sucking up my money for years. So I want to give 2 thumbs up to Root, and I hope you can give it a shot and can save the same amount of money that I did. And like I said, I will try to get some more videos like this and offer some other ways that you can save. But yeah, this is the Grimm Perspective, and this is Corey Grimm. Thank you for watching.